Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll be introducing you to electric current and Ohm's law. This is actually a beginner's class. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, the first step, what is electric current? Electric current is simply the rate at which charge flow through an area of what? A conductor. Now, listen again. The term rate simply means change or net charge per watt time. So we can say electric current is the charge flowing through an area per watt time. So that is electric watt current. So we can say current is what? Charge all over what? Time. In some cases, because we are talking about net charge and through a particular period, sometimes you see you put dq dt, which means change in q over change in what? T. So note this fact. All right. Now, when we're talking about electric current, we can talk about current density, which means the current per unit cross-sectional what area. So current density is what? Current per what? Unit cross-sectional area. So the current per area is what? The current what? Density. Take note of these formulas because you'll be using it to solve questions as we move on. Okay, another fact that you need to know is, let me use this formula. Let's assume that the charge of 20 coulombs flow for what? Or a charge of 20 coulomb flows for what? 5 seconds. So charge 20 coulomb, 5 what seconds. Calculate what? The electric what current. It's simple. It's Q, which is what? 20 all over what? T, which is 5. And what is the answer? 4 watt ampere. So this is the electric watt current. So it's a very simple idea. Let's talk about Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law simply states that at constant temperature, note the fact, the current flowing through a metallic watt conductor is directly proportional or is proportional to what? The potential difference between its end or between the ends of the conductor. So current is proportional to what? Potential what? Difference. Or potential difference is proportional to what? Current. So we can introduce a constant called what? Resistance, which means that V is equals to what? I arrow. Now, this arrow is what? Resistance. And if you make this arrow the subject of formula, if you want to make it to stay on its own, this all over I, this all over I. If you want to make it to stay on its own, you have to divide both sides by I so that I will leave this side. You now notice that arrow is actually what? The ratio of what? The potential difference to what? The current. And is a constant. Please take note of that. So note this formula, V is equals to what? I what? R. And we talked about the current density. It's also related to what? Or we can also use it in what? The Ohm's law. You can state, remember I said Ohm's law has to say what? It states that at constant temperature, current flowing is proportional to what? Potential what? Difference. Okay? But we can also redefine Ohm's law as the current density is what? Proportional to what? The electric what? Field. So electric field is what? Proportional to what? Current what? Density. So electric field is proportional to what? Current what? Density. This is also what? Ohm's law. At constant what? Temperature. So we can introduce a constant again. This constant is called what? Resistivity. All right? So if we make this resistivity the subject of formula, you realize that Ohm's law also states that the ratio of the electric field to that of what? The current density is what? Constant, which is called what? The resistivity. Remember, let's make P the subject of formula. Since I want to make P to stay on its own, I will divide both sides by what? ID. All right? So this cancel out this. So we now have P is equal to what? E all over what? ID. So you can define the resistivity as what? The ratio of what? The electric field to that of what? The electric what? Density, current what? Density. So it's a very simple concept. These are direct formulas that we're using to solve questions. Now, let me give you a basic question. Let's assume that a resistor of, let's say, 5 ohms is connected to a battery of what? 15 watt volt. Calculate the current flowing through what? The resistor. Now we know that V is equal to what? IR. Okay? And what are they asking you to calculate in this case? I. So you have to make I the subject of formula. So we have to divide this side by what? R. So V all over R. I all over what? R. This will cancel out this. So we now have I is equal to what? V all over what? R. What is V? 15. Okay. What is R? 5. Okay. If you divide, you have what? 3 what? Ampere. So this is what the answer. So it's a very simple concept. This is just an introductory class. A simple assignment to do. We'll be solving more complex questions in this topic in this series of what video what lesson. Simple assignment is being displayed on the screen. Solve and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.